Hello everybody, welcome back to another leather repair video. And if you don't love your leather, this will happen. It's a little faded in some spots, like right here, a little bit on the bottom. And this one right here, you can tell it didn't get used much. It still looks pretty good. Looks very good actually. So the first step to repairing your leather is cleaning it really good. So this is the leather repair kit we'll be using in today's video. We ordered this on Amazon. So this is what we got in here. We got two brown. We ordered the two brown colors with the, what color is this one? This is a little like a little, I don't know, more cherry color, I guess. And this is what you want to mix in your water. So this is the first step. You want to mix your cleaner with a little bit of water. And get you a microfiber cloth. Alright, so we have our couches apart for a reason, and that is to get the sides. We want to clean the sides really good. Clean everything really, really good. Make sure there's no dirt for when you go to mix your mix. And just clean it. So this is our cleaner right here. Just dip your rag in there. Doesn't have to be super wet. And I will go back with the dry rag and hit it. Okay guys, we have cleaned the couch. It needs to dry now, but it is looking pretty good. And we're gonna show you how we mix this up. So we're gonna take a little bit of brown. And some more brown. I think some more now. And I didn't think we'd be using this color, but we are. It's like a cherry-ish color, I guess. As you can see, brown cherry. Yeah.
Let's take it closer to the couch to see if it turns into the color we need. What?
Okay, you want to mix that up really good. And once you look at it from a distance with the color that it's supposed to look like, start applying this stuff like so. Very easy. Anybody can do this. And this already looks a lot better. I think this is what it did look like, a lot lighter. This side just got painted. This side's next. And basically you want to follow this process until you get all the spots covered. We still need to do this and maybe some right there, but besides that, this stuff is going pretty good. What is up, guys? So we have painted this spot, we have not painted that spot, and we have painted this spot. Wow, that looks so much better. And these spots we also haven't hit, so we've just hit that spot and that spot just for practice. We still need to get all right here and all right here. And this, guys, is what it looks like after. A lot better. You can see we could have hit this spot and we could have hit this spot, but we're happy with the results. We really just wanted to fix the bottoms. We're very happy with the results. This looks so good. I would highly recommend Leather Max Leather Repair. $25 will get your couch or your boots, your purse, anything that's real leather or vinyl. It's great stuff. And I'm gonna link the product that we used in the description with it, which is this stuff. And we actually used all of it. We used all of it except a little bit of this one, and it got us the whole entire couch. So check it out, guys.